Hey, how are you today? Today I have a super fun unboxing. I already know that it's super fun because I worked as a model for this company and they are amazing. They do amazing stuff, they make amazing clothes, and I can't wait to tell you about it because I think this is just mind-blowing great. So let me show you the very first thing. I'm just going to jump right into it. The company's name is called WUNZ. W-U-N-Z. WUNZ. And let me dig in and find, oh yeah. This is a WUNZ Supersuit. I said it. This is a supersuit. And this is how every single one of us can be a superhero in this supersuit. That sounds wacky, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, this must be a Halloween costume. No, this is real. The supersuit it's the sort of thing you put on, and when you wear it, it just shouts to the world, I am powerful. And sometimes you need to have an article of clothing in your wardrobe that makes you feel powerful, that makes you feel like you can change the world. And just by feeling you can change the world, you can change the world. I'm gonna get this supersuit out and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. And this is the WUNZ Supersuit. Now, it looks a little bit like a flight suit. And this is a utilitarian jumpsuit. What I love about this, when I'm at work on set, the wardrobe gal, it's usually a woman. It's usually a woman in wardrobe, sometimes men. But when it's women, I almost always see them wearing this sort of utilitarian jumpsuit. And it always strikes you as like, well, that's just the least fashionable thing I've seen. And yet somehow it seems so cool. And it's sort of the garment that women wear when we need to get stuff done. Because sometimes, you gotta bend down and pick the kids up. You gotta pick up a stack of wood. You gotta pick up a pallet or a thick case of water. You gotta pick stuff up and move around. You don't need your jeans sliding down, your things sliding up, moving around. This is just nice because it keeps you covered. And when you're covered, you can focus on what you need to do. Now, this supersuit, look at this. I love that it's got all sorts of places where I can hang stuff. When you're walking around and you need to get stuff done, it's nice to have, you can unclip this and you can clip it onto your keys and they're right there handy. You're not going to lose your keys. You can tuck your keys right in your pocket. They're with you. You've got pockets to put all your stuff in so you can just go without a purse and do whatever it is you need. So while it may not be height of fashion, it's height of taking possession of your own self. You can walk around in this and you're not going to get ogled by men, and your clothes are not going to be dipping down and showing stuff you don't want to show. This is the sort of thing you wear when you want to get stuff done. Now here's something different about the WUNZ Supersuit, and this is what makes it a supersuit. Is it the tiny red cape that's on the back? Why would there be a tiny red cape on the back? What's that about? This is a badge of honor, people, because when you buy a WUNZ Supersuit, you're buying a week of food for a family that is homeless and on the streets of Los Angeles. For every WUNZ Supersuit that is purchased, they will donate a $100 food box to a family in need through the Los Angeles Mission. Think about that. you can buy this as a gift for yourself, as a gift for your daughter, as a gift for your granddaughter. And know that you are also feeding a family in need. And this day and age, we're all so close. And I can't tell you how many times, well, you know, you remember. There's a lot of times where I've thought, there but for the grace of God go I. And so many Americans are just one medical bill away from being on the street. And this is a way you can give back and give people a chance at dignity, a chance at food, just feeding a family for a week. That's huge. So I'm going to put on my WUNZ Supersuit and I'm going to show you how awesome it is. So here's what look at these pockets. These pockets are fuzzy. They are lined fuzzy. So when you put your hands in, it feels all good on your hands. I've got places where I can keep all of my things. I can keep my debit cards, my credit cards, my cash, zippered, safe. This is awesome when I want to go downtown shopping. When I want someplace where I could just, get stuff done and nobody's grabbing at me and looking at me. I love the logo on the arm. How cool is that? That is super cool. So you get to be part of a tribe. When you buy WUNZ, you're part of a tribe. You're part of a group of women and men who are superheroes, who are reaching out to help those in need, while also being completely stylish. Probably if I want to be stylish, I should not do that. So, super in love with my WUNZ Supersuit. Love, love, love. It's interesting for me to see that I was about 15 to 20 pounds heavier when I was modeling for WUNZ, and the Supersuit is just as flattering at that weight as it is now. The WUNZ Supersuit fits true to size, but I love the fact that my body is kind of kept to myself and you don't really see a lot of it, and it just makes it nice when I want to do things, get stuff done, that it's relaxed, it's easy. Love, love, love this amazing utilitarian jumpsuit from WUNZ, and I love the fact that when purchasing it, you're giving back. You're giving a food box to a family in need. Now, WUNZ does this with all of their products. They have a number of different products. This is the only one that I modeled. So this is the only one that I know about so far, but I'm very excited to see what else they have. They have lots of other products at different price points. By the way, this jumpsuit comes in this olive green, and it also comes in a stone color. In fact, when you see me modeling it, I'm wearing the stone color, but I like this color more because I do. So there you have it. The Los Angeles mission helps low-income families and individuals who are in need of perishable food items and toiletries. Each food box provides 8 meals for a low-income family in need. Fresh, healthy food that they might not otherwise have access to. So it's incredibly important. How can children grow up without healthy food? Let's see what else we have. This is the WUNZ 3D Embossed Hoodie. And what that means is their logo is embossed on the hood. I don't know if you can see this. Isn't that unique? You just don't see that. So right there on the hood, you can see WUNZ. Well, that's just awesome, you know? Low-key days never look so good, huh? This is a great, thick, quality cotton. So this is something that can be worn by men or women. And we've still got the awesome WUNZ logo here. So not only can you brag to everyone that you're a superhero, but you can encourage everyone else to be a superhero as well. For every 3D embossed hoodie that WUNZ sells, they will then send a hygiene kit to the Los Angeles mission. Members of the homeless community who come to the LA mission every day for a shower and clean clothing, they don't have access to hygiene products and toiletries unless the mission supplies them. So for this reason, a constant and abundant supply of these are required by the mission. And that's deodorant and combs, a toothbrush and toothpaste, body and hand lotion, shaving cream, a face cloth, shampoo, conditioner, hand sanitizer, travel size facial tissues for the ladies, tampons, sanitary napkins, underwear, and Nair if they want to get rid of their hair. For men, underwear and razors and t-shirts, the basic essentials that you need in everyday life that so many of us take for granted. WUNZ is donating that to the Los Angeles mission with the purchase of every embossed hoodie. So it's a terrific way to give others a little bit of dignity and to get their feet back on the ground. So this is an item that I think is super awesome and super wonderful and super unique. This is this wonderful t-shirt with all of these U words unzipped. So this t-shirt is so soft, super soft, wonderful with a skirt or jeans, and it has all of these empowering words written around the neckline. Unbeatable, uninhibited, unfailing, unconventional, unbothered, unashamed, unmistakable, unfolding. Look at this. You can see all of these words are embossed right here on the front, and that's a wonderful way you can bring a positive message to the world of how you are unique and unconventional and unbothered. There are a lot of words that also embody the spirit of WUNZ. Unco, that's an unusual or an amazing person. By the way, anytime you purchase a WUNZ item, that's what you are. An unusual and amazing person. Uncynical, unlimited, unfailing, unfolding. Unconventional, unconditional, uninterrupted. Unforgettable, uncomplicated, unencumbered, unequivocal, unambiguous, uninhibited, unbreakable, unsurpassed, undentable, unmistakable, uncensored, uncanny, unashamed, unbiased, unarmed, unafraid, unapologetic. Think about all of the unwords and how powerful they are. And you have just a few of them on this gorgeous t-shirt. Now this t-shirt fits true to size. It's a lightweight cotton. It's got a beautiful drape to it, and it's got a nice length to it. So you can see, it's gonna cover you up. This is great so that you don't have to worry about whether you wanna tuck it in or not. You're gonna be covered because we want you to be uninhibited, unbothered, unencumbered. A wonderful, unique shirt. And for every one of these amazing, unique t-shirts, WUNZ is going to donate one of those hygiene kits to the Los Angeles mission. Think about how much that means as a woman. Can you imagine being on the streets, homeless, and having to deal with menstruating and not having access to any products? So the Los Angeles mission is giving these women dignity and peace. If that doesn't make you unbeatable, I don't know what does. Any purchase that you make through WUNZ is such a terrific way to give back to the world. Now, not all of us are in a position to buy utilitarian jumpsuits that are going to give $100 worth of food to a family. Sometimes we want to give, but we don't have that much. So we have a couple of small items from WUNZ as well. Look at this pen. How awesome is this pen? It's so fun. It's got the WUNZ logo on it. And we have a journal so that you can write all of your most innermost thoughts and feelings, or grocery lists, or anything you want. Words of empowerment. That would be my suggestion. Get the WUNZ journal and the WUNZ pen, and every day write down what you're thankful for. Because we all, so many of us, have so much. And there are so many people in the world who have so little. And I am so very proud of my friend Genevieve for starting this company. She is amazing and giving back to so many people. So won't you please consider being a superhero yourself? The holidays are coming. We're all going to be buying a lot of gifts. So this year, when you're buying gifts, consider buying gifts that are going to give back and give to people in need so that you can also be a superhero. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me to be a part of the WUNZ tribe, and I am proud to wear my supersuit and know that somewhere a low-income family in need is getting a week's worth of meals and toiletry because of this supersuit. And when you see a woman with this little flag, you know she's a superhero. So be a superhero yourself. I love you bunches. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you very soon.